Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome. I'm always so hyper. Welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, welcome back. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming back. You guys, I cannot believe we are entering into fall. I could not let you go into fall and not tell you about the fall fragrance that I am rocking, that I currently picked up, that I want to share with you, that I think is amazing. This is it. It's from Gucci. I love the pattern. We're gonna unbox this together. We're gonna open this together. Yes, I have sprayed it. Yes, I have smelt it. I sprayed it and smelt it and walked around with it at the store, so I know exactly what it smells like, and I absolutely loved it. So on this channel, I do a lot of fragrance. I typically do it every 3 to 6 months. Fragrance, where I'll do a full fragrance review, where I do what I'm rocking, and then every top of the season I give what fragrance I'm wearing. So if you love fragrance reviews, if you love fragrance, this is a channel for you, so go ahead and click that subscribe button. This one here though is Guccibloom, and I absolutely love this. This is, okay you guys, you know, I'm not gonna try and pronounce this. Nettare Di Fiori. We are opening it together. Okay, this is not my first impression because I already smelt it and I bought it, so I liked it. But I'm taking it off. I have not used it yet. I love the packaging. I think the packaging is beautiful. This is what the bottle looks like. Super cute. If you've been here for a while, then you know that I have Guccibloom, which is my absolute favorite. It's a really, really amazing scent. It's perfect for spring, summer. I love it. This here though, the key note, and I've said this before, that keeps coming up in every fragrance that I spray is patchouli. I absolutely love, love, love patchouli, and I didn't even know what it was. I just kept saying I love this. Now this one here has a little patchouli, it has a little vanilla musk, it has a little bit of, it's seductive, it's warm, it's inviting. Oh my god. You already know. If this is your first time, you may not know to the channel, but if you have been here for a while, oh my god, you already know. It's so sexy, it's so good, it's so rich. I like it. If you are in need of something seductive, sexy, you want to get this Guccibloom Nettare Di Fiori. Okay, I probably completely butchered that. It has a little bit of patchouli in it. I'm gonna paint a story and tell you a picture because you know I'm a storytelling girl, and you know I've got to tell a story. This smell, and I've got to hold the bottle to give you the true essence of what it smells like. It smells very sexy though. It smells like, so say for instance you were gonna get picked up and you're like, this is a first time date, I want to leave an impression, and a lasting impression. You would go with something like this. You would spray it in the places you want to be kissed, per Coco Chanel. I want to say it's dark, but it's not dark. I would wear this on a date. I would wear this on a first impression. I would wear this if I was meeting with a guy and I didn't know him and he didn't know me, but at the end of the day he was going to remember me. Okay, I would be spraying something like this. I would wear this to date night. I would wear this on my birthday. I would wear this on my anniversary. I would wear this to a girl's night out. I would wear this to brunch if I was with somebody that was of that caliber that I really wanted to be like, ooh. I would wear something like this. I would wear this, oh my god, I've got my Bible in front of me. Would I wear this to church? Hold on, let me tell you, because I know a lot of you love the Lord as well. I would, but I like to have a standing date after church if I was wearing this. Other than that, I'd wear something else. I'm gonna put the notes, you guys. I oftentimes say I haven't done fragrance in a little bit, so I know I have some new subscribers on here, and I really appreciate you, and I thank you for tuning in, and I thank you for checking out this video. I normally don't go into notes and hues and things of that nature, but I definitely tell you how it makes me feel. I definitely tell you places that would be a great place to wear this to and places not to wear it to. Mind you, this is all my opinion, okay? Because every fragrance smells different on every person. I love this particular fragrance. It is super awesome to me. This right here that I am carrying, or that I'm talking about, this is a 1.6 fluid ounce. This is 50 milliliters. This is from Gucci. I believe this bottle runs 107. They do have a larger one from this that runs a little bit more than that. Not too much more, but a little bit more. I think it's like 150. I know it's at Sephora. You can purchase it there. I don't know if it's at Ulta, but I would check, and then you could definitely get it on the Gucci website. You guys, we're going into fall. This is our fall season. I switch on my fragrances all the time. I definitely added this to my collection. I also have the Guccibloom, and that's amazing. There's another Gucci one. I'm gonna insert a clip here. Gucci Aquatics or something like that. I smelled that one, you guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. I did not like it. I don't know what it was. I just didn't like it. It was too strong. It was too masculine. It just wasn't for me. But if you do like that type of scent, I would tell you to try it. Every single time I recommend a fragrance, I always say, go in, get a sample, wear it on you, see how it smells, because everybody is different. Every body chemistry is different. So you don't know how it's gonna end up smelling on you. So see how you feel with it, see how you like it, and how it vibes with you. With me, on my body, this is phenomenal. This would be perfect for Thanksgiving to wear if you were going on a date night. I love love, so I speak a lot about dates, love, marriage, all that different kind of stuff. Anyhow, if you were going out and you're thinking, oh my God, guys, if you're watching and you're like, oh my God, I want to get my girls something, hello, this is it. Girls, if you're saying, oh my God, I need something different in my collection, this is it. If you are just you and you're saying to yourself, I want to treat myself to something, this is it. This is really, really, really good. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fat.